Hello, this is Sam with Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines, and today we're testing this Vibiemme machine. The customer reported that the pressure was too high, and so we adjusted the pressure, and also there was an issue with the lever making a loud popping sound, and the only thing that we needed to do with that was lubricate it, and now it's working well. So let's pull a shot. Alright, and there we have a nice shot of espresso. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like the video below and if you like this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you again.